from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. And today we are doing leftover pizza. Listen, make sure you hit that like, subscribe so you can tune in and get all this wonderful content here that we provide at Nerdy's Umbrella. All right, listen, guys, we had some leftover pizza toppings, and so here I am, and I'm going to show you what you do with those leftover pizza toppings. So when I got here, I got me a nice little pizza crust or whatnot. I threw my flour down, I got my rolling pin out, and I'm going to roll this bad boy out. You know why? Because that's what I do. Do I have a background in cooking? I do. I actually have a couple degrees. It's not a problem, okay? Got a couple degrees. Got some tomato sauce in there. Like, we're just gonna rub that in there, make it look pretty all nice, right? That wasn't doing it for me. Okay, here we go. There you go. Get that brush, nice broad strokes in there. Okay. You know, we leave those sides for the butter, okay? We leave the sides for the butter, all right? It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. We'll go with the cheese because cheese is always needed. It's the pizza blend cheese, okay? If we're doing pizza, we're going to do pizza the right way. All right, this is all the cheese. This is all we have left over. This is why there were 3 bags of cheese, 3 different bags of cheese. All right, we got our ground sausage right there. So roll this bad boy up, okay? Now check us out. I want you to see this. That's the ground beef, so sausage and beef. 2 favorite pizza toppings. We got them, all right? We spread them around. We make them look good, okay? We got more cheese because what's better in a pizza than cheese, all right? Remember I told you about that butter, the butter for the sides, and you guys are going to see why. All right, now, this is what I'm going to do. Oh, yep, he's going to roll it. Butter, roll it. Pinch those sides, make sure more butter. Pinch those sides, ladies and gentlemen. Want to keep all that stuff in there, that ditty. Goodness, look at that, rolled it. Boom, beautiful. There we go. There we go. Look at it. Pinch the sides, make sure that everything is tucked in and stay in there real nice. I want you to see, it looks like a log. Doesn't look anything pretty right now. Watch that. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Got that Italian season because what? What is pizza? Nothing but Italian, right? All right, I'm going to put some on the pan. Scoot it on there. It's on the bottom. Look, I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to put it on pizza. This kitchen in the box does everything. Kitchen in the box goes up, says what it does. 450, 6 minutes. It was more like 10, okay? But I put it on the pizza setting and then look at it. Oh, nice. Crusty. All right. Got a little bit darker than what we expected, but that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Grab a knife. Oh yeah, 49ers. Don't get at me in the comments. Look at that, but it's my bread knife. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're gonna chop this down, make this bad boy like a little calzone, and this is what you do with those leftover pizza toppings, and voila. Just that simple. If you made it this far, thank you for rocking with us. This has been Voices from the Kitchen. Like, subscribe, share, and guess what, guys? We'll see you in the next one.